Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amanda Turner and I am a real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico. I am currently filming this episode in room 2 of our bed and breakfast in Ajijic Centro. And we're coming into high season, and so I just wanted to make sure if you guys are looking for accommodations in this area, look no further. All of our rooms have air conditioning, Wi-Fi enabled TVs, which we pay for Netflix and Amazon Prime, daily housekeeping, and a daily hot breakfast, including Continental. And we're literally one block from everything. And the cafe, El Gato Feo Café Roastery, is located on the premises. It is open 8 to 8 every day of the week. And the cafe staff also serves as front desk. But we also have a 24-hour concierge service line, so you can call that or WhatsApp that if you need to. Both the bed and breakfast and the coffee shop won Best of Lake Chapala last year for best coffee and best bed and breakfast. And we are currently in first place for both for this year's Best of Lake Chapala. If you'd like to check room availability and room photos, etc., you can do so by visiting our website at estrellitasinAjijic.com, or you could contact us directly for a little bit of a discount at the phone number down below. I also want to mention that there is now a super thanks button located right below this video. And as most of you know, YouTubers that bring you good information don't make a boatload of money. So if you feel inclined to tip your gal for making these videos, you can do so down below. All super thanks tips left with a comment with questions about real estate, the Lake Chapala area, Ajijic, will be answered with a bit of detail in the next video. I got Spider-Man in the background. That's not really my thing. I had quite a bit of buyers on tour this last week, so I'm gonna get through these tours in these videos so that these homes aren't sitting on the market for too long before you get to see them. But I did have a comment from a viewer who asked that I go through the entire real estate purchasing process. And I also get quite a bit of people who want to know that information, so I do need to put that video out, and it will be coming out within the next 2 weeks. So don't you worry, I will do it. Okay, the first house we're looking at today is located in Ajijic Centro, almost towards West Ajijic. The name of this house on the MLS listing is Casa Serenity, and it definitely fits. Casa Serenity is listed at $355,000 US. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom on 2 floors. Construction size is 230 square meters or 2,476 square feet. The lot size is 240 square meters or 2,583 square feet. It comes furnished and it's located in Ajijic. All right, guys, first home on our tour is located right here. If we zoom out a little bit, I found this funny little place down here, Table No Dance Pizza. Interesting. Anyway, okay, so here's our house. If we zoom out a little bit, you'll see we're kind of in the area of Ajijic Centro. I zoomed out a little bit so that we could get an idea of where we are. So this is Ajijic Centro right here where the plaza is. And if we, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks away from the Ajijic Plaza. You could definitely walk there. And then to get an idea of what's around us, here's Blue Rose Bistro, which is a very delicious restaurant. Casa Linda is also very popular and delicious. You got another one. A lot of good restaurants down here. Deshanti, a lot of hotels, etc. Okay, if we zoom out a little bit more, if you wanted to shop, you could either do Ola Market, which is right here. That is also walkable, but if you have to do a big grocery haul, I would recommend driving. And then you've also got right here by La Reserva is Pancho's grocery store. Good place to get all the things you need. And then, okay, so here's the house here. If we zoom out a little bit more, okay, so here we are, Ajijic. You've got San Antonio here, Riberas here. Take this up and you'll go all the way up into Guadalajara. If we go to the west, you're in San Juan Costa, where they have all the thermal water pools and whatnot. And then you could even go into Joco. You could go around the lake and go into all these little small towns in here and go head over to Mazamitla, which is one of my favorite mountain towns ever. I don't see it here, but if you get a chance to go to Mazamitla, you definitely must go. It's like a Swiss village, and it's very beautiful, and it has its own little microclimate. Very nice. Okay, guys, second house on our tour today is located in Chapala Haciendas, which is one of the last neighborhoods as you exit the Lake Chapala area and you are on your way to Guadalajara. This house was just freshly built, and we got to meet the owner / builder, and he did an excellent job. If modern is your thing, this house is pretty cool. It's got all the fixings. He spared no expense at making sure that all the details were put in there, such as pre-constructed to add ACs if you'd like to do so, and making the roof structurally sound in case you want to add a second floor. This is a very well-built house, and I'm excited for you guys to see this. Second house on our tour today is listed at $385,000 US. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom on 1 floor. Construction size is 215 square meters or 2,314 square feet. The lot size is 802 square meters or 8,633 square feet. The HOA is 1,000 pesos per month. It does not come furnished, and it's located in Chapala Haciendas. Okay, because the house that we just toured is fairly new, I don't think that it's on Google Maps quite yet. Maybe I could be wrong. Maybe because it's the year 2023, they have more updated, satellites, like Insta satellites or something. Don't ask me. I don't know. Anywho, we're in Chapala Haciendas. All of this, okay? We're going to zoom out so you can see where we are. This highway right here is the highway that takes you from, wow, we got to zoom out a lot. Okay, from Guadalajara. So this highway goes all the way down into here and turns into right here the Libramiento to go into Ajijic and or go over to San Antonio, Riberas, or Chapala. Or so from this highway you could come down, go into Ajijic, or you could come down into Chapala. Either way, whatever tickles your fancy. Okay, so driving from that house to, let's get directions to Ajijic. So I'm going to highlight this. We're going to move this up. I'm going to type in Ajijic Centro. And yes, the cultural center is in Centro. So it would take you 16 minutes to drive from that house to Ajijic Centro. And as you can see, like I said, this is pretty much the last neighborhood until you are on your way to Guadalajara. There's another town over here called Ixtlahuacan that is getting growing in popularity with the expats, but pretty much that's about it. And you head into Guadalajara. It's a nice drive. I like it. I love driving, though. Some people don't. So any emergency services would come from Chapala. All of your grocery shopping and whatnot would come from here. Also, you'd probably go to Soriana, which is like a super Walmart. But Soriana is way better. It's like the Mexican Walmart, and the employees are friendlier. It's cleaner. It's just overall nicer. I like Soriana a lot better than Walmart. I end up going to Walmart, though, because it's closer to me. But if I ever get a chance, I go over here. Okay, third house on our tour today is located in La Reserva, which is one of my favorite gated communities in Lake Chapala. So there is La Reserva East and there is La Reserva West. The east side of La Reserva has already been developed and it's been around for, I would say, maybe 10 to 20 years. The west side of La Reserva currently went through its first phase of construction and all of the homes have been completely sold out. They are now starting to begin the second phase of La Reserva West, and these homes aren't quite yet on the market, but they will be shortly, and the price range for those will be anywhere from $455,000 US dollars to $500,000 US dollars. The reason I love La Reserva so much is that the homes are well constructed. They're a bit modern, but they have a little bit of that Mexican touch to them. What is this? I don't even know. Let's go see it. House number 3 on our tour is listed at $455,000 US dollars to $500,000 US dollars, depending on the model that you purchase. It can either be a 2 or 3 bedroom, a 2 or 3 bathroom, and it is all on one floor. Construction sizes vary from 196 square meters to 269 square meters, and lot sizes vary from 300 to 370 square meters. Your HOA is 1,600 pesos per month. It does not come furnished, and it's located in La Reserva in West Ajijic. Okay, guys, here we are at La Reserva. I'm going to show you this real quick on the map so you can kind of see. The photo that I showed you at the introduction of this listing showed, okay, so here's East La Reserva, right? I'm a little turned around, but here's East, okay? And then if we go west, this is the west side of La Reserva. This whole section right here has been developed. everything has sold. That is the first phase. Second phase is here, and it looks exactly as pictured here because nothing has started over there. So exact prices are not going to be known for another couple of weeks on lots and houses and whatnot. But if you are interested, those are pre-sale prices that I mentioned when we were on tour of the property. So as you'll see, La Reserva is located just right next to or behind Pancho's Deli Market. And from what I understand, Pancho's was asked to put a grocery store and restaurant here because obviously the one in Riberas is so popular. They asked him to put one here, which brought up the value of all of these homes because it's a great grocery store. And obviously Pancho's is making out like a bandit too. So that's there. That's where you'll do most of your grocery shopping. Your emergency services, things like that, will come from Ajijic. And let's see, what's near you? You've got quite a bit of restaurants, actually. There's a brewery right here. Casa Trisco, I've heard, is really good. I have not been there yet. Carnitas Hector's is so good, okay? It's delicious, like the most delicious carnitas you can get. And then you've got a few other like really nice restaurants through here. Because West Ajijic is starting to become more and more developed, a lot of nicer restaurants and grocery stores and services are coming into this area. When I first moved to Ajijic 6 years ago, it wasn't like that. There wasn't a whole lot going on in West Ajijic at all, but it's starting to become more developed. So if you can buy land out in this area, I would do so while the prices are still low because it's not going to do anything but go up, baby. Alrighty, guys, that's it for me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this out to your friends if you feel like it. If you're looking to buy or sell your home in Lake Chapala, please contact me at amanda@lakechapalarealty.com. And don't forget that super thanks down below if you'd like to have your questions about purchasing in the Lake Chapala area answered in detail in my next video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!